Hey y'all, this is my first video. Yeah. Okay, whatever. So the video isn't gonna be the best video. It's my first video. So we're just gonna get right into it. I'm starting my face with witch hazel. My face is already cleansed. I'm just gonna go over it quickly with some witch hazel, making sure I cover everything on my face, also my neck. Right, my neck. Here I'm putting on some lip scrub. It's a lemon and sugar lip scrub. I'll have to put the brand in the description. But I'm just rubbing it on my lips to get my blood flowing. Also to exfoliate and remove any extra dead skin that may be on my lips. So rub it in for a little bit. I'm going to allow this to sit for a few minutes to actually get to working, and then I'm just going to wipe it off.
Just still make it work. Just still make it work. Y'all, this wig, by the way, we're just waiting a couple minutes for this to do this thing, whatever. But this wig that my best friend made for me, baby. Okay? Wiggiana she's to life. Baby. Cause okay. Shit crazy. Alright. Gonna do is these eyebrows. Brows first. Brows first. Go ahead and just brush them out with a little spoolie. No. I don't get my eyebrows done now. I get my eyebrows done like once every 3 to 4 months. I don't keep up with that no more. Cause I know I can just do my.
Okay, so what I'm about to use here is an eye pencil from NYX. The color is black brown. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before. You can find it in the hair store, you can find it in drugstores, Walmart. Nothing fancy, so just use that. So now what I'm about to do is use a spoolie brush to brush in that product so that there's not any harsh lines. You want to make sure that's blended nice and smoothly to make it look like more of a natural brow. So now I'm moving on to my concealer. My son is drawing on his face. I didn't even notice it. I will tend to it soon. So yes, here I am with the concealer. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. The color I use is Fawn. I'm not really sure how to do focus things, make things focus. I'm gonna get right on that. But yes, so I use Fawn. I've been using it for years. I pretty much swear by it. So actually, instead of using the Pro Concealer, I'm going to just use this product by Nars. It's Medium Dark 3. It is a soft matte concealer. The reason I'm using that is because it's closer to my skin tone. It doesn't look like I have a big, like I put a highlighter over my face, over my eyebrows. It will do exactly what I need to do, and it blends just as nice. So I will apply that with an angle brush to get a nice, clean, precise line.
Do this shit I like. Do this shit I like. I don't know what the top is for that right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna just use a little beauty blender.
So now I'm gonna wet my beauty blender. I feel like I get the best out of it when I wet it. Not soaking wet. I'll usually put water in it, squeeze the water out, and then start to blend. What you want to do is just press into your skin. You don't want to wipe nor brush. Press. Your skin will, you know, naturally absorb that. Press, 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 as much as needed. Do not mind my son. He's still, yeah, nursing. Now I'm adding my Pro Concealer, just two places where it's dark on my face. The color here is orange. It actually looks red, but it's orange on the label. I use that to keep my undertone, and so it doesn't look just so bright on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that. Blend, blend, blend.
I cannot believe you right now. Look at that.
You can just use L'Oreal True Match. It's a C8. Alright, I'm using Morphe E88. Boop.
Pretty sure I just said E88. I don't know why I said that, but that was definitely E44.
Same thing. Well, actually, I'm actually going to.
So once I'm finished applying my foundation, I will apply my LA Pro Concealer again to highlight under my eyes and my nose, basically my T-zone.
e.l.f.'s Flawless Concealer Brush. Boop, boop. And I'm just going to.
Next, I am going to highlight. The highlighter I'm using is just a highlight from my hair store. I think it's like NickAK highlighter. I'm going to apply that to the exact locations that I just applied my LA Pro Concealer. So which will be under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Y'all, please don't mind this stiff hair over here on the side. I just realized that it's probably gonna bug me for the rest of this video, and I can't just take it off. So yeah, don't mind that little hair on the side. And yes, I know my face is crooked. I don't need nobody to tell me that. We all see it. Whatever. So I'm pretty sure that's not the brush that I thought I was using. I believe that's an eyeshadow brush, but let's just go with it. It got the job done that day. I'm applying my liner. I'm not sure exactly what the color of the product that liner was, I'll put it in my description. Same with the liquid eyeliner that I'm applying. So now I am about to apply my lashes. They're mink lashes, shook lashes. I'm going to apply them with hair glue. I've used lash adhesive before in the past, but I still swear by my hair glue. I've never had any problems. My lashes haven't come out. So yeah. Now that we're nearing the end of the video, so glad that this is over. Yes, this is gonna be my first video that I post onto my YouTube channel. However, this will not be a makeup YouTube channel. I will not be doing makeup tutorials. It's just happened to be something I did when I was bored. I said, what the heck, let's post it. Yeah, so I probably won't be doing it. I may do a few here and there, but a bunch of my videos will probably just be a bunch of miscellaneous things. I'm a lot more interesting than just doing makeup, so there's that on that. I do not know how to apply lipstick. I just apply it and I make it look good, I guess. But I feel like I don't know how to apply lipstick, but you know, it was cute. It worked for that day. So I made the first video and I thought that was the end, and I realized, oh, I didn't put my setting spray on, so I made another little video that I just added here, where I'm gonna add my setting spray, which it is Cover FX Illuminating Set Spray, and I'm just going to drown my face in this for whatever reason. And it sprays out really nicely too, so you can spray a lot without overdoing it. But yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys for watching this. Like, share, and subscribe. I hope that I can keep you entertained to come back and watch more videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Peace out.